इज अ प्राउड फिलींग फॉर मी एज अ यूथ. हांव मुखार सरलां पंच जावपाक.
So what are your plans to
एट प्रेझंट आमगे सीट वेकंट आसलेलें, सो आमगे जाय काम पेंडींग उरतालीं. सो आतां हांव स्टेप घेता की ती मुखार व्हरपाक ट्राय करतलें.
This is with regards to the election to the Ward 2, by-election to the Ward 2 of VP Chikali. So we received one nomination paper of Stephanie Lorenzino Lucas. The form was duly scrutinized and found to be valid, and today was the day of withdrawal. At the time of withdrawal, nobody withdrew, so that form is a valid form and we have accepted, and as no any form was received, the said candidate is declared unopposed winner of Ward 1, Ward 2 of VP Chikali.
Yeah.
The certificate to this effect has already been issued to the candidate.